Hi, let's record a quick podcast on Salesforce AgentForce for beginners. Hi, let's record a quick podcast of about 10 minutes on the topic Salesforce AgentForce for the beginners for my YouTube channel.
That sounds like a great idea. Before we start, let's outline a quick structure. Do you want to introduce Salesforce first, or jump straight into what AgentForce is and how beginners can get started? Also, do you prefer a conversational tone or a more structured step-by-step approach?
Let's make it just a conversational session and let's jump into Salesforce AgentForce.
Sounds good. Let's start with a natural flow. I'll kick it off. Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today we're diving into Salesforce AgentForce, what it is, why it matters, and how beginners can get started. Now, Salesforce itself is huge, but AgentForce, that's a niche that not everyone talks about. So let's break it down. What do you think makes AgentForce stand out? Now, you can jump in with your thoughts, and we'll keep the conversation going from there.
Okay, I'll want to jump into again. Salesforce AgentForce. Okay, AgentForce, which is an end-to-end artificially intelligence-enabled agents that can actually do the needful and take decisions and based on various conditions applied here and there to actually design the end-to-end experience of a service which business might be looking forward to since some time, but due to the lack of these kind of systems, we were depending on humans and human decision making. So the end-to-end experiences were not really enabled, which were possible, not possible yesterday, are today now possible, and we can actually get into the phase where we automate a lot of stupid stuff, um, where the efficiency actually keeps on lacking every day, right?
Human decision making was inconsistent or slow. That's the game changer, right? With AgentForce, businesses can streamline their service experience without relying on manual intervention at every step. But here's a question. Do you think this will replace human agents entirely? Or is it more about assisting them to make better, faster decisions? Because a lot of people still hesitate when they hear AI taking over.
Oh no, no. So it's basically empowering them. It's a huge opportunity for humanity to actually think about the right thing to be done, right?
It's less about replacing people and more about freeing them up for higher value work. Instead of handling repetitive tasks, agents can focus on complex problem solving and customer relationships. But that brings up another interesting point. How do businesses ensure that AI driven decisions align with their brand values and customer expectations?
Could you repeat the question, please?
Sure. How do businesses make sure that AI driven decisions in AgentForce align with their brand values and customer expectations?
I'm not able to understand the question. So you mean how would the organizations make sure that values align?
Yes, since AI is making decisions, how do businesses ensure that those decisions reflect their brand's values and the kind of customer experience they want to deliver?
I would believe technically the values lie are usually embedded deeper into the processes and the kind of decisions an organization makes, right? So Salesforce is very carefully designed. These Agent Force has designed these Agent Force in a way that we can ensure the processes, the I would say the ethics are carefully not going into the system. The
That makes sense.
shit.
Since the ethics and values are embedded in the processes themselves, AgentForce is essentially just following the organization's guidelines. But do you think businesses still need human oversight? Or can they fully trust AI to make these decisions without intervention?
So that's a good point to start with. The new series of Agent Force on this platform. So yes, I
That sounds exciting. So, are you thinking of a series where we explore different aspects of AgentForce, like its capabilities, real world applications, and maybe even some best practices for businesses?
of course, that's the plan.
That's a solid plan. Kicking it off with an intro like this sets the stage. For the next episode, do you want to go deeper into how businesses can implement AgentForce, or maybe showcase some real world use cases?
Yes, we'll get into that in the next phase, next episode. But for now, let's continue with this one. The question you skipped, I was supposed to answer. What was the question?
Got it. The question was, do businesses still need human oversight, or can they fully trust AI to make decisions without intervention?
That's a very again, as I said, was a very serious question to be asked, answered carefully. So the organizations can rely on the agents, but yes, the human oversight is required at the beginning part to ensure that yes, this is what I want and this is what I not want. It has to be like an iterative process. To start with the one step at a time to see, yeah, this is what I want. So that yeah, we are 100% sure that this that what we are trying to deliver is what will be delivered.
That makes total sense. It's not about blindly trusting AI, but guiding it in the right direction. Businesses need to set clear boundaries, fine tune the system, and keep refining it. Once it's aligned, then AI can take over the repetitive parts with confidence. So, to wrap up this episode, what's the key takeaway for beginners exploring AgentForce?
Take away. Okay. Um, it's a huge opportunity because the agent force, Salesforce actually controls about 70% of the CRM market, and agent force is going to multiply the human potential for the decades to come. I'm sure it is actually setting up the path for agents to be available in general humans' day-to-day life after getting out of the system very soon.
That's a powerful takeaway. AgentForce isn't just a tool, it's shaping the future of automation and human potential. It's starting in CRM, but soon AI agents like this could be a part of everyday life. Great session. Do you want to wrap it up with a call to action for the audience? Maybe something like encouraging them to explore AgentForce, or stay tuned for the next episode?
Sure, give me a takeaway.
All right. Here's a strong takeaway for the audience. AgentForce is more than just automation. It's the next step in multiplying human potential. With Salesforce already leading the CRM space, this AI-driven system is paving the way for smarter, more efficient decision-making. And as it evolves, we're looking at a future where AI agents become a seamless part of both business and everyday life. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. How does that sound?
Awesome.
Glad you liked it. This was a great session. Looking forward to the next episode in the series.
Good day. Wait. So give me a title for this video to be uploaded on YouTube on my in the series as the second episode.
How about this? AgentForce Uncovered, How AI is Transforming CRM and Beyond, Episode 2. It keeps it engaging while making it clear that it's part of a series. Let me know if you'd like a different spin on it.
Sure, give me a few, at least five more spins.
Of course, here are 5 more title variations. 1. Agent Force Explained, the AI Revolution in CRM, Episode 2. 2. The Future of AI Agents, How Agent Force is Changing Business, Ep. 2. 3. Agent Force and the Power of AI, What Every Business Needs to Know, Ep. Tour, Salesforce AgentForce, Automating the Future of Customer Service, Episode 2. 5. From Humans to AI, How AgentForce is Redefining Decision Making, Ep. So let me know if you'd like a different angle.
Uh, so it's a series of episodes, and we are talking about the currently in the second episode. I want to make it more uh, explaining about the series.
Got it? You want the title to reflect that this is part of an ongoing series about Agent Force. Here are some refined options. 1. The Agent Force series, How AI is Revolutionizing CRM, Episode 2. 2. Agent Force Deep Dive, AI Powered Agents in Action, Ep. 2 of the series. 3. Exploring Agent Force, the AI Evolution in Business, Episode 2 of the series. 4. Agent Force Series AI Automation and the Future of CRM, EP 25. Understanding Agent Force, the AI Driven Future of Work, Series EP 2. These should make it clearer that it's an ongoing.
Awesome. Thanks for your time. Good day. Friends, see you in the next episode. Awesome. What a session.